Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is the city's creation. In this, basically, we are talking about that how basically satellites are basically controlling the energy. How basically they are telling that basically this land is basically controlled by this whole planet. Basically. So they have created more than 1,000. For example, India land basically. In India land, basically, India land is basically controlling the thousands of caste energy basically, like the on the base of the caste energy basically the India land is basically getting controlled. So indirectly basically they are uh, doing the pressure of the thousand caste basically, taking the pressures of the thousand caste basically, also you can say basically. Like this basically you can say the word basically which I am telling is attraction basically, attraction between satellite and 5 crore people basically. Like this basically the attraction is happening basically. Satellites is controlling the 5 crore people, and that is basically getting control. So like this basically the satellite basically are moving basically. So one of the person told that basically you are telling basically that like this basically things are basically getting control. So how you can say that basically the satellite basically can lose the control? Then he told that basically it might possible basically. Any of the few blood cells basically can do the damage basically. Then he told that basically how basically that is possible, yeah, basically. How basically that is possible? Periodically, we every 100 year basically, few groups basically takes the control of the each and every blood cells basically. Then how that is possible basically? This up to that level basically people have thought basically. Up to that level basically people have thought. So like this he told that basically how that is possible, yeah, basically they are taking the controls of the blood cells, and like this basically they are telling that basically whatever data basically we want, that only basically the according to the satellite creation only basically the caste creation has happened. Then basically how that is possible here basically? Then he told that basically possibilities are basically there. Reason is earth planet basically contains more than 22 blood groups, and in this blood group basically anything basically can possible in the environment basically. For that basically one of the person told that basically for that basically we have divided the Asia land, European land na, basically every periodically basically we are separating the data, separating the land also na, basically. That time basically by chance somebody is trying to do this type of activities from the body basically, that time basically it's his chain will get breaks na, basically. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically. That's why basically we are doing this type of activities only basically. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically you are correct basically. That type of basically energy basically you have created, that basically it will break the chain basically. Then he told that yes, basically. Whenever the basically land basically gets separates from the other country basically, the Asian land basically, immediately basically entire data basically has entire chain basically has already broken basically, it has already separated basically. Then how basically that chain will get break? Sorry, how that chain will not get break? Then he told that yes, here basically, that's why basically you have done the 11 parts basically. One of the person told that basically yes, basically this is also basically one of the reason basically why we break the planets basically into 11 parts basically. Like this basically the story basically connected like this basically. So one of the person told that assume that basically in earth planet big earthquakes basically happened. Big earthquake means in Asia land only basically the big earthquake basically came. Assume basically in really basically it's not going to happen. That basically happened due to 22 blood group basically. 22 blood group basically connected to certain level of ideas. In that idea basically the some basically negative energy basically got generated. In this basically the 1300 city basically got earthquake. That time basically the land basically which is going to separate, assume that basically that earthquake happened when the land was getting separated. Land was getting not merged, not, it was not getting merged, it was getting separated from the earth planet basically. So that time, assume that that time only basically earthquake basically happened, and that time basically the earthquake is happening basically. That time basically he is doing the chain basically, that person basically, and due to that chain, due to that earthquake basically, the data was not able to get separate basically, due to that earthquake basically. So that is possible. Then he told that basically, so no, that is not possible basically. That type of thing basically is not possible. Whenever the earth land basically gets separate, everything basically gets separate. Why? Because it is created by human, and human basically has created on the base of their energy only. Basically. Each and everything which they have created in earth planet, that is created by their own energy only basically they have created. For example, human needs basically, which is created, which we are using, that is created by their energy only basically. So like this basically, that is not possible basically. So like this basically, the discussion has reached to like this basically. So one of the person told that 22 blood group basically has there basically 1300 city basically created, and 20 percentage basically error education is there. And in this basically, uh, assume that basically the Asia land, USA land, somebody is tracking that basically the what Asia land people are doing basically. For that basically how they do basically. For example, they basically how they will be doing. They will be doing the investment of dollar in India. Like this basically their people basically are tracking the Asian land basically. Like this basically whatever things basically people are doing in India basically, that dollar people earning people are watching basically, that pound people earning people are watching basically. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically you are correct. So like this basically what are the things going to happen? Tell basically what are the things going to happen? The physical activity which is going to happen, that only basically they can track. Yes, other than things basically can able to track basically. Once the land basically got separated, one of the person asked the question basically, this is actually very dangerous question. He asked this, assume that basically Asia land got separated, and uh, assume basically that uh, other than basically Asia land, that also separated from the Asia land basically. Assume that basically. So here basically they assume that basically for time basically, few hours basically they got separated. Assume that basically. Then he told that basically what are the things going to happen basically. Here basically who is going to affect more basically. Then he told that basically need to check basically. That basically we have never checked that basically. That how basically things are going to work basically. For example, Asia land was basically got separated. Entire Earth planet basically also separated. No, entire Earth planet is basically there. Only Asia land basically got separated. So here basically the Asia land only going to get effect, or basically the other than Asian country basically, other than Asian land basically is going to effect basically. Then he told that basically, yeah, that need to check basically. Yeah. That need to check basically how basically this is going to connect basically. So in next video basically we are going to see that basically what are the things going to happen basically if this type of activities happens.